Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on SoFi. First, you'll need to open a SoFi Invest account. This process is straightforward and typically requires a minimum deposit to get started. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to easily fund your investments. SoFi offers a user-friendly platform, making it simple to explore various investment options, from individual stocks to exchange-traded funds. Let's dive into the steps. Funding your SoFi Invest account is the next crucial step. After linking your bank, you can transfer funds directly into your investment account. SoFi often provides options for instant transfers, allowing you to start investing almost immediately, or standard transfers, which may take a few business days. Always ensure you have sufficient funds available before attempting to place any stock purchase orders. This helps avoid any delays or failed transactions. Now, let's find and buy your desired stocks. Use the search bar within the SoFi Invest platform to locate specific companies or ETFs. Once you've found a stock, review its details, including the current price, historical performance, and relevant news. When ready, enter the quantity of shares you wish to buy and select your order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. After buying stocks, it's important to monitor your portfolio regularly. SoFi provides tools to track the performance of your investments, showing gains or losses over time. You can also set up alerts to notify you of significant price changes or news related to your holdings. Staying informed helps you make timely decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.